In you, I have found a friend, a lover, a safe place, someone who loves me for me, naked, in the words of LMA. Today, I want to assure you that I will continue to challenge you to be the best version of yourself. I promise to love you unconditionally. I promise to never keep score, even when I'm clearly winning.
We've been through this journey. I will always love you, always cherish you. My everything is you. You're number one in my life. And I will always love you for everything you've done for me, my family, and for our future.
Nigga, I see you in a minute, cuz. Buckle up, you know what I'm saying?